Welcome to UKey Wallet. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your UKey Core 26, a hardware wallet, to UKey Wallet app on your mobile device in two ways, through Bluetooth pair and QR code. Make sure you already have a wallet in UKey Core. Open both the Core and the app, then tap Create Wallet in your app to continue. Tap Connect Hardware Wallet, then select UKey Core 26 as your device. You will now see two connection options, Bluetooth and QR code. To pair via Bluetooth, select Connect in the Bluetooth interface. The app will search for nearby devices. Select the correct hardware wallet to pair. After the connection is established, your hardware wallet will ask you to verify its authenticity. This confirms that your device is genuine and helps secure the connection. Once verification is complete, tap Continue. Your UKey Core is now successfully connected to the UKey Wallet app. Now, let's connect using a QR code. On your UKey Core, select Connect App Wallet, then choose QR code as your pairing method. The Core will generate animated sequences of QR codes, limiting data exposure and eliminating network vulnerabilities. On the UKey Wallet app, go to the QR code tab and tap Scan to connect. During the scanning process, your phone screen will be blurred for security. Wait for the scan to complete. Once your phone finishes scanning, your hardware wallet is already paired with the app. You're all set with UKey Core 26 and UKey Wallet app. Keep your assets secure and enjoy a safer self-custody experience with UKey.